Alright, to put the blade into Flex's saw, first thing we're going to do is spin the saw around to the back, and housed in the back of the tool here is a tool that we need to actually loosen the nuts and get the saw blade in. What we're going to be doing is taking off this bolt in the middle, and while we go to twist it, we also need to press down on this little trigger here, this little black trigger there in the front of the saw. So I'm going to hold that down with one hand, and what that's going to do is actually stop the saw from spinning, meaning that we can actually loosen this bolt and take it out. So once that screw starts to go, I can release that button, and it's going to come out all of the way. I'm going to put that screw to the side, and then we've also got this piece here, which is also going to come out. I'm going to put that to the side as well. Now we're just going to grab the saw blade. There's a bit of plastic around the outside of it. We want to make sure we get rid of that. And then we're just going to pull the safety guard back from that saw, and we can get the blade and slide it in. We want to make sure it goes in this way with all the writing facing out. You don't want to put it in this way. This is the wrong way. The teeth are going to be facing the wrong way, so you're going to make sure that writing's facing out when you put that saw blade in. When sliding it in, I'm going to make sure it goes under this part here, and it's going to sit perfectly into place with no lateral movement side to side. With that done, we can get this piece that we took out, and that's going to also click perfectly into place. There we go. You can see when it clicks into place, it won't spin side to side. And then we can get this little bolt once again, this little screw, and we can start to screw that back in. I'm going to screw it with my fingers and make it finger tight. And then once I get it finger tight, we're going to do the same thing. Push this black button down again. I'm going to hold that down with my thumb, and we're going to get our tool out and just tighten this off as tight as possible. Alright, so it's pretty tight now. We can get rid of the tool, which slides into the base plate. And now our saw blade is installed, and we're ready to go ahead and use the saw.